In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook and Instagram posts using the Meta Business Suite. Whether you're managing a business page or multiple social media accounts, this tool can streamline your posting process and help you reach your audience efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Meta Business Suite. If you haven't used it before, it's a comprehensive platform provided by Meta to manage your business's presence on both Facebook and Instagram. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into the account that manages your business pages. This step is crucial because it ensures you have access to all the features you need. Next, look for the option to create a new post. This is typically found on the main dashboard after logging in. Click on Create Post, and this will bring up the Post Composer, where you can start crafting your content. It's a versatile space that lets you write your message, add images or videos, and even include links to other content. Now, once you're in the Post Composer, you'll see an option labeled Post To. This is where you decide where your content will be published. Since we want to post on both Facebook and Instagram, make sure to select both platforms. This feature is incredibly handy because it allows you to manage posts for both platforms simultaneously, saving you time and ensuring consistency in your messaging. As you prepare your post, take advantage of the editing tools available. You can format your text, choose attention-grabbing images, and even add hashtags that are relevant to your content. These little details can make a big difference in how your audience interacts with your posts, so take your time to make sure everything aligns with your brand's voice and image. Once you're satisfied with your post, you can either publish it immediately or schedule it for later. Scheduling is a fantastic feature if you want to plan your content calendar in advance. It allows you to post at times when your audience is most active, which can increase engagement. Before you finalize your post, it's a good idea to preview it. This lets you see how it will appear on both Facebook and Instagram, giving you the chance to make any last-minute adjustments. Once everything looks perfect, go ahead and publish your post. And there you have it. You've successfully created a post for both Facebook and Instagram using Meta Business Suite. This powerful tool can help you maintain a consistent online presence and engage effectively with your audience. Remember, the key to social media success is regular, thoughtful engagement. So keep posting and interacting with your followers to foster a thriving online community. Thanks for watching, and happy posting!